Welcome to this new session on Facebook ad. Uh, Facebook uh, and Instagram are connected, and whenever we have to create ads on Facebook, we have to do certain steps. We'll see today how to create a Facebook ad. This is one college page, Dental College and Hospital page, and I'll show you live how to create a ad. This will also help us to understand the parameters on which the measurement of ads are done. We have to see what are the different parameters like impression, like reach, followers, etc., rate of people connecting with us. So there are different parameters which we have to understand, and for that we have to understand how an ad is created. We'll see more of these later on, but since we are in a position, or rather we have covered those topics from where now we have to learn some of these things which will help to understand us Facebook and Instagram more. So I'll start with, this is a page for creating a Facebook ad. The prerequisite is a Facebook page. So this is a Facebook page. This plus icon you have to click, and once you click this plus icon you can click on this ad. Once you click this ad, then it will show the business page of this Facebook, and here we have to select the type of campaign or type of ad which is to be done. Right now I'll be showing a lead ad, so I'll click here the lead ad and I'll continue. Now, here we have to provide a lot of information. So, first of all, the name of the campaign. So, I'll give the name of the campaign as BDS Admission 23rd November BDS admission. Okay. And then we have to select next. Now this is ad set. What This is part of the ad which will say what are some more information to be added here. So I'll also put here 23rd November 2022 and BDS lead ad set. Now as I move downward, this is where the conversion will come. So we can use a website to the people who see our ad, they'll be redirected to our website, or they can fill the instant form of Facebook itself, and all the people who have filled the form that is called lead will collect the lead from Facebook itself. So I'll show you how to uh, use this instant form. And now I can move downward. This is the page name that we have to select. You can move downward, and here you have to give an budget, daily budget. So I'll give daily budget of 800. I leave it like this, and it will start from 23rd, and then I have to set an end date. So the end date will be, suppose, 30th of this month. So I'll select 30th of this month, and then I have to budget I have set, and now I have to create the audience. Okay, so the audience by default it is India. If we have to show to all people living in India, then we can leave it like this. Otherwise, I'll select, like I want to target people living in Bihar. Then I want to target people living in Jharkhand. Okay. Then I want to target West Bengal. Then I want to target Assam. Then Manipur. Then Mizoram. Now I want to concentrate on Tripura. So whole of Northeast I have selected Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Northeast. And now I'll select Delhi. So I have selected Delhi apart from this. Now I have to give the age. So since this may be your first time, so just have a glimpse of what we are doing here. I want to give from 18 to 55, and I am giving for all genders, that is both men and women. If it is only for men, we can edit here for only men or for only women, but it is for all. I'll leave it for like this. So here I have done what are the things that I have done. First of all, I have given the name, ad set name. Then I have select the conversion location. That will be a form. Then I have selected the Facebook page for which this ad will run. Then I have set the daily budget, then a start date and end date. And then I have selected the location, in which location it will run, and men and women gender. Now I can select advanced placement or manual placement. If I go for manual placement, we have to select these are the places where it will be shown. So suppose I want only on Instagram, so I'll remove all this. So it will be only on Instagram. I want on Instagram and Facebook, so I'll click it like this. And some of the associated networks, so I'll keep it like this. So from manual placement, I can select these things. So this is done. Now on the right hand side, if you can see the estimated audience size for the location and the age and the gender that which we have given, it is this much. Now, suppose we scroll down here. Let us see some more. Estimated daily results. So daily result is around 381 to 1.1 thousand, and there will be lead up to 10. So up to 10 people will be filling up the form. This is expected, and mostly these are the correct information that it gives because they have very good AI. Now we'll move on to the next segment. Now here in the next segment, again, we have to give it the name. So 23rd November BDS ad. Okay. Now we come down, and by default, it shows this you can see on the right hand side, the photo which is there on the page. So I'll delete this and I'll add a photo which we have created for BDS. So this is the photo which is already there. Need qualified students contact for BDS. So this is the photo which I want. This is how it will look on different platforms. And then I'll optimize it and click the done. So This is the image. You can see the image has changed. Okay. You can click on advanced preview to see how it will be looking on different platforms. So it will be MMDCH sponsored ad, and on different Facebook, Instagram, stories, everywhere it will be showing, and how it will appear, it is showing like this. So it is okay. Now we have to provide some information, that is the primary text and the headline. So headline will be BDS admission guidance. So this is where it is coming. We can see it is coming here, BDS admission guidance 2020, like this. And the primary text, we have to provide the primary text. So the content is ready for me. I'll share the content. This is the content, BDS admission 2022. I've already written. So I'll take the content and then BDS admission. This is regarding the college, some information regarding the college. Whatever information you want to provide, the contact number, etc., etc. So this we have done. The headlines we have done. And suppose you want some more description, you can give it here. This is optional. Since we have written a lot of information in the primary text itself, so we are not giving anything. Now we have to create a form where the information will be coming. So we can select the forms which are already there. If it is BDS lead admission, there is one form on BDS lead admission. If I select this, then all the lead will be coming to this particular form, BDS lead. BDS admission for NEET qualified. See, this is the form. Okay, are you NEET qualified? Then what other things are there? You can click. So second information we are asking is for the email, full name and phone number. Next we are setting this. So this form is already there. So what I am doing is I am using the same form, and now we have to publish. So this is how we create a form. So I am clicking on publish. Once I click on publish, it will be in review for some time, and then Google will review, and then it will approve, or it will reject, or it will suggest to make some changes based on their policy. So this is how we put a ad on Facebook. I'll repeat it once more just to make you understand how it is working. So the different steps we have followed, we'll repeat once more to create a different ad. So this is how a Facebook ad is created. I'll start once again, and then we'll see once more. So what we did, we are here. This is the Facebook page. On the Facebook page, you have to click this icon plus and go to add. In the add section, there are different types of campaigns. We'll see each of the campaign in detail. Don't worry at all. So we'll see leads. Leads means we will get the information of the people who have seen or interacted with our ad, promoted ad. Now I'll continue. See, first name here we have to give. So this ad is for Kolkata region. Yes, Kolkata region 2022. So first information is done. Now we are coming to the next information. Here also we have to give ADS Kolkata region. This is also an Insta form. So we'll create this time. Let us see what are the other informations. Now here we'll give 1600. Okay, we can change the budget and we'll set the end date also. We'll set an end date to 28th of this November. Then we have to set the audience location where this ad will be visible. So we have to show it Bihar. Okay. Then we have to show in West Bengal. Then we have to show in then we have to show in Northeast. That is, now we have to set the age limit. Let's make it 58, or rather, let's make it up to 55. Gender will leave it like that, and manual placement will try to run this ad on Facebook and Instagram as well. Okay, so this is done. Now coming to the next part. This is again this. First of all, we have to delete this and we have to add a media. So when you add a media, these are the media or the creatives or the photos which we have uploaded previously. And if you want to upload from your hard disk, you can click here, upload. And then you have to select the photo. Like I have kept Facebook ad. This is the photo that is to be there for the Kolkata ad. This is the photo that is to be in the Kolkata ad. See, this we have done. Next. Now the primary text is the same primary text. Headlines. Now this time we'll create our own form. Last time we selected the previously created form. This time we'll create a new form. So here, what will be the heading of the form? Okay, so this is the headline. It will come here. Next is we have to give here a short headline. Next is the questions. So what are the things that we want to collect from the user? Email, full name. If we want to add some more, now email, full name, then we'll ask for contact field, phone number. Okay, so phone number will be there. Suppose we don't want email, then we can remove, or we want more, then we can add it here. City. So we can add a lot of more information, work-related information, demographic like birth, gender, marital status, if it is required, user information, first name, last name, contact information. So we have already asked for a few questions. Now we'll move ahead. So this is done. Then there is a privacy policy. So for every ad, we have to mention the privacy policy. What will we do with the data that we are connecting? So we have to mention the link. The link is there on the website of this college. I'll show you the link. We'll copy the link from the website itself. See here, this is the privacy policy. So what will I do? I'll copy link address and I'll come here and add the link here. This is the privacy policy of the college. And you can write it like this, privacy policy. Then we have to add some more information. Sir, I got here we once the form is filled, where do we want the customer to go? So we will take them to our website. So they'll visit the website and they can get some more information from the website. So these are some information that was required. Form name is need qualified BDS admission. Form type is for more volume. Then the introduction. In the introduction, we have used a greeting. Then there are some questions. And now we will click the publish button. That means the form is ready. So this time what we have done, we have created a new form, need qualified BDS admission. This is the form name, need qualified BDS admission. Admission. This was the name of the form that we gave. So the data will be collected from here once people will start filling up the form. So I think we have done almost everything. Now we'll click final button, publish, and request Facebook to process it. So it is, you can see right now it is in processing. Once it will get processed and if everything is fine according to Facebook, then it will be approved and ad will start running and people will start providing us with the results. So this is how we put ads. Now what we have to do, we have to wait for this to get it approved, and once it will be approved we can start. So this is how we work. We create Facebook ads and Instagram ads. This is one way. We'll go deeper. This is just to give you an idea how we create and run Facebook and Instagram ads. Since Instagram is also owned by Facebook, WhatsApp is also owned by Facebook. So all Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook are done from this dashboard. So this is for now, and we'll meet again and see how this can be collected, the leads generated can be collected. Thank you very much.